because of profession of faith. Gospel today tells us that the profession of faith of Martha has been the source of salvation. But in my case, the profession of faith of so many people, things, symbols, they all give me consolation and has somehow made me stronger in my faith and in my vocation. Also, I'm very thankful for the profession of faith of Monsignor Renato D. Mayamba, who celebrated the Mass today in Pagantay Pata. Si Reverend Socrates B. Villegas is katumad so nangisa karuman agwara na bilang nata. Saratan so profession of faith that sa kato'y mamamabiskulit siya panani siya na ikapari. Si Karaso, amang ikapari, tan si Karaso, sa present siya na so mamamabiskulit kasyon ko. Itong bukod di salamatan ni Brother Brisco yawan dyan natin ma. Nauta si Father Fidelis yawan dyan ma. Di magkantay ko kasi. I was not expecting them to abay karaktanan si Kara. So, natindi, of course, they like to attend. But amay pro-profess na nagpalamagli ng presensya na. So, panani siya na ikapali sa brotherhood na pari. Kasi kantoso, mabiskan na amay retreat dyan at Tipon. Mas lalo attach ka at makakakisak na naman. Tapos, nag-travel kira si Mati niya i-considerate. Puntat matiray na Mati. Thank you, sisters, for coming over. Salamat akman sa neighbors ni timutulong nila voluntarily na nagkakaroon ako ni Igaruan so tulong na nagpapakira aki apag sa trabaho sa pangpulis siya nagdabo at ay pala nagtaisin kami na pamilya at sasangarisin kami na nanagpot. Tatanura kami na at si Fidelis kanya nalagang kulang kami lang manpower at si Auntie Ben at si Amay Auntie kaya wala bago ng Amerika. Abay ko man sa salamatan, I'd also like to thank the various religious organizations and also the liturgical ministers ima-assist sa misa and sa parishioners na St. Vincent Ferrer, Santa Barbara Parish, Tanjad Calasiao, Tana Aromiran, Parroquianos, Kawalay Charismatic, NIO, Tana religious organizations, yakin pagmad sa dinadamay na government me, salamat na malbalos kayo, bagkang sa Reliance of Columbus, wajaman nila dito na mangihitan na dugay ng galang ng si Dali bilang 4th degree member na may Knights of Columbus. Abay ko rin salamat naman so ang kanaluan to sa weather kasi ngay pro-profess to sa Dali dugay ginawa to I think that has been justified sa may pagtutulong ko sa sarili ko. Salamat ang sarili ko na mayabang putting your trust in God and your presence in this funeral mass is a testimony of your faith. Salamat sa kayo natin. Salamat naman Diyos sa katawan, anindi siya, at kinan si Daddy. Our ordination is for me like a testimony of God. Si Daddy makanan maging ama na duwarang pari sa anak to, and I'm very grateful sa Diyos sa katawan pinaulian ko yung dating magbabanawag sa kami unungan panani siya to tan unungan makayari to at sayang agaw He has been my daily bread tayo kada bibisita ko si Kato awit-awit ko rin problema pag-ministry dyan kakisaw ko, paminsan when I visit him, I always tell myself, I am so busy with my parish apostolate, I have no time hardly to visit Daddy. Pero nung umanak lang, nananan ko si Daddy akabalutong so laman ko, insan utawagan mo ikaran ko, utangwan na, insan linis, nananan ko despite his condition, he is very calm. He was very calm, and he was very gentle, and he was very humble, and he was very meek and kind. He was generous. Siya, para sa siya, he was generous to me because he has offered a very long life. Kapermanitan na inspirasyon at anak doon, kibang-kibang nino maminsan at para ni siya edukasyon to, tanong maminsan kibang-kibang confidence to ikapari to. And nakan siguro sa umatay misyuda na I finally realized that it is the various testimonies of our faith every day that makes our vocations strong, that makes our faith stronger also. Bisalamat ang sa pagpangitan yung testimonya na sa panisya yun. Diyan itutulor yun, diyan sa financial support interview, sa services interview, sa cooperation, sa kapari. I'm really very, very blessed, and I think it is really God's grace. Kato'y nalilig ng sayang ano. Salamat at sa kayo.